Hello everyone, for today's video I am gonna show you all the school supplies for my son for kindergarten. Nahirapan ako sa kalisod. So ito na guys, his school supplies because he is going to school on Monday for a backpack. Unpack the backpack and then Wednesday, August 23, he will be go to school, first day of school. So this is for my kindergarten son. So let's start for the bag. So guys, I bought this bag from this one. I bought this bag from Goodwill. The price was $4. So I like this and he likes this one too, but there's a name in here and I can cross that out and then put his name in there. Yeah, it's used but it's nice, still nice, in good condition. And there's a lot of pockets, this one, and then here's pockets, and then there's one here for the water bottle, this one, another one here too for the water bottle. And then look guys, the zipper, the holder, it's a metal, so it's really durable, so it's worth the money for me. And then guys, here's more pockets here. Look at that. It's hard. Pockets, a lot of pockets, so he needs this for his school days. And here there's for this one, I bought this one, 2 pocket folders, this one. So this is one of the requirements for the school, 2 pockets for the reminders, for the letters, subjects, whatever they're gonna put in here to the parents, like that, a note like that. So that's the one. So let's go next. Here's next guys, they need a headset too, because maybe they use iPad for sounds, for whatever they're gonna do in school. So this one is one of the requirements for his school. And then they need these 2 wipes, no, it's tissue. It's tissue guys, Kleenex. So that one, they wanted us to buy this one too. And then what else? And next is 1 plastic box, pencil plastic box, or whatever color, crayons, pencil, color crayons, color pencil, or pencil, whatever they're gonna put this in here. So requirements for this, I bought this all from Walmart guys. And then next, I'm gonna put this here. And then next guys, one of the requirements is shoes. I bought this $15.98, so $16. The size of the shoes is number one size. Okay, they need this for PE, or they gonna play in the gym. Yeah, they need to change outfit like that, so they required shoes. And then they wanted shoes Velcro. They wanted this, they required this one, not the liston or lace. Okay, and next is they wanted us to buy Elmer's glue sticks, but I want to see how many. I think I bought 2 because 6, now it's 6, 7, 8. 2,468. So it's 8. I bought 8 glue sticks. They wanted to buy us a glue sticks, guys, like 8 sticks. That's the requirements. Glue sticks. So here it is. Glue is washable. So that's one of the requirements. Glue sticks. And then next, they wanted us to buy a Ziploc too for snacks. For the snacks of the kids, because they eat and then they put the leftover food in the Ziploc. Okay, we got that one. And then next, crayons. These are the one of the requirements in school. 3 8 crayons. 3 boxes skinny crayons. That's one of the requirements. Alright. Oh my goodness, a lot of requirements for the student. Only Michael for kindergarten for now. And then they wanted us also to buy 1 pack of stickers. So guys, I bought this 256 pieces of smiley stickers. I bet the kids gonna like this because it's smiling. Yeah guys, I bought that one too. And then next, I bought this, a 1 subject notebook. This is just for Michael, for his personal use. He's drawing because he likes to draw. Michael loves to draw very much. So this is for him, personal use. Alright guys, so next is another crayons, but this time it's a jumbo. It's a big crayons and 8 colors because that's the requirements in school as usual. So ta-da! Jumbo crayons, 8 colors. And next, one of the requirements, a glue, Elmer's glue again, but the other one is stick, and this one is school glue. This one is washable, no run. This is school glue for the school for Michael. So next guys is, look at that, a Clorox disinfecting wipes. The school wanted us to buy Clorox. This is one of the requirements, to wipe all the things in the school. Oh, look at that. There's a desk here. Look, they're gonna use this. Look, there's a drawing in there, so they're gonna use that in there. That's for school, and they can use in office also, and in the toilet, and in the kitchen. So it's all around purpose. So we need this Clorox, requirements for school. Alrighty, so next is this one, another Ziploc, because they wanted us to buy 2 Ziploc, 2 boxes of Ziploc for snacks. That's for snacks. Great pencil. Alright guys, so next, they wanted us to buy one of the requirements. They wanted us to buy the brand that they like us to buy, Ticonderoga brand. That's what they like us to buy. That's one of the requirements. 3. That's what they like. We need to buy 3. Ticonderoga 3. Looks nice pencil, huh? School. May pantasan na siya, guys. May pantasan na siyang kasama. Wow, this is nice. Number 2. Right, that's the brand of the pencil that they wanted us to buy. And then next is blunt tip. They wanted us to buy these Fiskars. That's what they like us to buy. A Fiskars brand of scissors for kids. So this is 4 plus up. Michael is 5 years old, so 4 plus. That's right. Color blue for Michael. So we have this. And next, eraser. They want us to buy eraser. Eraser, guys. 1, 2, 3. Erasers. They like us to buy this big pink ones. So erasers. Next, guys, last is this one. I got one already. This is 3. This is my personal use because I need more fine point permanent marker. I need more permanent marker. Ta-da! I use this already. Personal use ito, guys. So guys, iyon na yung lahat ng mga requirements sa school ni Michael. Punta na siya ng school next week, Monday, and then Wednesday na ang school. First day of school, Wednesday. Unpack the backpack ang Monday. Ayan, guys. Ayan na natin. Check natin. Linya natin yan, ha. So guys, ayan na lahat. Lahat ng kailangan niya. Bag, headset, shoes, the folder, the tissue for the nose, and then Elmer's glue sticks. Yan, 3. Tapos eraser, smiley, stickers, then scissors, 8 crayons, skinny ones, and then Zumbo ones, 8 different colors, and then glue, school glue, and then pencil na required talaga nila. Tapos box, pencil box, plastic pencil box, and then ito naman ay Clorox, tapos Ziplocs, 2. Yan. So, ready na siya sa kanyang unpack the backpack on Monday. I'm excited for him, and he's gonna ride the school bus for the first time. I'm excited for my son. Kindergarten, guys. Guys, thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video, guys. Bye for now.